Hi again, it's me, Brian Zimmerman, aka ZimZam Puppet Man, with our lesson number 2, which is about eye focus. Now, when you're using a puppet, whether it's live with kids, doing walk-around puppetry, even ventriloquism, and stage puppetry and television puppetry, it doesn't matter. One of the most important things is eye focus, eye contact. Whether your puppet is looking at you, or your puppet's looking at the audience, or your puppet is looking at another puppet in a puppet show, eye focus is extremely important. Now, most puppets are going to be designed with the magic triangle, which means basically it's a triangle between the two pupils and the nose, where the pupils are in a little bit so that they're focused outward toward the audience. For instance, okay, this is Waldo. Now, Waldo should be looking at you. But if I'm doing a puppet show, hey, how are you? I'm Waldo. What are you doing today, huh? And if I do it like this, hey, how are you? I'm Waldo. What are you doing today, huh? You see the difference? Right now he's focused on you. But now he's focused on something going on in the air that no one's able to see but him, okay? You want to stay away from doing that. You want your puppet to be looking at whoever he's supposed to be looking at. Right? Yeah, right. That's good. So that is what eye contact is all about. Now remember, to go over it again, it's important on several different levels. It's important on how your puppet is looking at his audience, how your puppet is looking at you, especially if you're doing ventriloquism and you're interacting directly with your puppet, or how your puppet is interacting with other puppets. Now, the way to achieve eye contact, the simplest way, is basically to point your hand at whatever it is you're supposed to be looking at. Kind of use your middle finger as a guide and just use that to kind of point where you want your puppet to look. And that is going to help you achieve good eye focus. And eye focus is one of the premier things you need to learn and master to be a good puppeteer. Because unlike some other things, eye focus is not very forgiving when you're a puppeteer. If you have bad eye focus and you're trying to talk to an audience and you're not even looking at them, or if you're trying to talk to another character and you're not looking at them, that's something that audiences notice very quickly and aren't very forgiving about. So remember, eye focus, very important. Thanks so much. Until I see you next time.